Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Candace Sinclaire. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the wig that is currently on my head. This wig is from Unice or Unice.com. I hope I said it right. But yeah, let's just go ahead and hop into it. So let me just say, this wig came real fast. I ordered it like on a Tuesday and it was here by Friday. Like, the shipping was super fast, so that's definitely a pro about this hair company, is that they ship this wig super fast. Before I go into pro and cons too deep, let me tell you the specs about this wig. This wig is a HD transparent 5x5 closure wig. It is in the texture Jerry Curly. It is 180% density and 28 inches. Like I said, the shipping was super fast. When I got it, it came in this box right here. And it also has like instructions on how to put the wig on and take care of the wig on the back, which I thought was really nice for people who are maybe first time wig wearers. And it also came with these lashes. It came with a necklace, which I thought was really cute, and it also came with a wig cap. Those are all really nice touches. I thought that was really cute to send with the wig. This wig does have combs. It has two combs in the front, right here and here, and then there's one in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. Okay, so let's talk about the pros of this hair. So the pros of this hair is that generally it is a soft wig. When I first got it, it was super soft, but of course, you know, I've been wearing this wig for like about a month. I really wanted to wear the wig for quite some time before I did a review, because I wouldn't say that this wig is affordable. It's definitely an investment wig to me. So I wanted to, you know, get the full experience before I recommend such a high price item to you guys. But yeah, this wig generally is really soft. Co-washing definitely helps keep the softness, so I definitely recommend doing that if you're going to get this wig. Another thing I like about this hair, or I love about this hair, is that it's full. It's such a full wig. Like, no tracks can be seen or anything. It is a thick AF wig. So I would say if you're someone who doesn't really like a lot of hair, this wig probably isn't for you. Or I would say this density probably isn't for you. But yes, I really like the volume of this hair, and I like how thick it is. I think it really matches me. Like, it fits me very well. So I really like that about this wig. This wig is also big head friendly because I have a big head. So if you have a big head as well, I definitely would say this wig is big head friendly. The curls on this wig also stay pretty defined over time. Like, I only really have to define the hair maybe every 3-4 days, but for the most part, when you spritz it and run some mousse over it, which is what I usually do, it stays really defined, which I appreciate. So the curls are popping. Love the texture of this wig. I think it's so pretty. It's definitely, it was more of a summertime texture, but you know, you can do what you want because we're transitioning to fall. But I really like this texture. I think it looks really good on me. So those are the things I really like about this wig. So the cons about this wig, the wig does shed a little bit. Like, it doesn't shed to the point where, like, if you're walking, or let me say, if you're sitting somewhere, you get up, there's like hair on the chair. It's nothing like that. It's just more of like, if you're running your hands through the hair, you'll likely get 1 or 2 strands as you're doing that. So the hair does shed and the hair does tangle. I think that's probably the biggest con about this wig, is that this hair does tangle. Like, don't get me wrong, this is a 28-inch wig and it is a curly hair texture, so it's more prone to tangling than other textures of wigs. But yeah, it does tangle quite a bit. Like, if you, especially when you get down to ends, like, you kind of have to like really work your way through it, and it's not coming through because I like, oh, here's a part, like, yeah, like you know, like it gets tangled like that pretty often. I find for me, I co-wash this wig, so when I co-wash it, I slather a conditioner that has really good slip on it, and first I'll finger detangle because I don't want to like jack the wig up. So I finger detangle first, and then I'll go through with a dimming brush to really get the tangles all out and to redefine the curls and all that. That helps a lot. When I do that, the wig is not tangling at all. Like I can run my hands through it and I have no problem. So yeah, just to let y'all know, it does shed and it does tangle, and because it tangles, it is pretty prone to matting. So like the back of the wig is pretty matted. The back of the wig is pretty matted. Like, don't get me wrong, like all wigs pretty much matte in that nape neck area, but considering how much this wig was, I feel like it shouldn't be that bad. Like it shouldn't be that bad, you know what I mean? So it does matte. Like I prefer not to sleep in this hair. Like if I'm really tired, I'll sleep in it, but I prefer not to, just because it is prone to tangling, and which leads to matting. So yeah, this wig is also prone to frizziness. Like if I don't put mousse on here, if I don't put a wax stick, like it has to be mousse though, because a wax stick by itself is not enough. Like it needs mousse and the wax stick, because if not, this hair gets so frizzy. Like I was at work and I went to the bathroom. Mind you, I threw this wig on before I went to work. I didn't really do much to it. I just kind of tossed it on and went to work because I had already customized it. So all I really had to do was just glue it down real fast and then go about my day. So when I got to work, I went to the bathroom, and it's not going to show obviously because it's like mooshed down now, but it was like so many flyaways in this area. Like it was really ridiculous, and I was low-key salty because I was like, why my coworkers let me walk around looking crazy like this? But I had to like take some water and like lay them down because it was that bad. So this wig doesn't have a flyaway problem. So if you're gonna get it, just make sure that you are putting mousse up on the crown of this wig. Girl, she will embarrass you. Like, oh my god, I was like, girl, what are you doing? So all in all, in conclusion, would I recommend this wig? Yes. I think that this wig is pretty solid. I think it's really pretty. The wig is super thick, so if you're really big about fullness in hair, this wig is definitely for you. I think this wig was pretty easy to work with. Like the lace was easy to blend and lay down, considering that it was transparent lace, and the curls stay defined, they stay popping, which I feel like is the main point of this wig, along with how thick it is. So I do recommend this wig. It just keep in mind what I said, that it sheds and it tangles. So if those things don't really bother you that much, then I say go ahead and get it. But if big hair that tangles and sheds is a thing for you, you probably want to pass on this wig. But yeah, anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this review helpful. Let me know what you think about this wig in the comments down below. If you've already purchased this wig, let me know what your thoughts are on this wig. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more reviews from Unice or Unice Hair. Until next time, you guys, peace and love. Bye.